Hello, welcome to Money with Mark Albert. Glad you're with us today. Today we have a special guest, Rick Collard, who is a many-year veteran at Manulife Bank. So it's an honor for us to have you, Rick, today.
Thanks, Mark.
That's good. So today we're going to talk about a concept that I see a big need in the industry, the mortgage industry. There's this all-in-one mortgage concept. And I know Manulife specializes with this product. I am amazed how many people don't know about it, and I am amazed how many people, if they knew, they would want it. Mm-hmm. Can you just initially, big picture, what is this 3-in-1 concept mortgage?
Well, the all-in-one concept with Manulife is the ability for a client to to utilize their entire income against their debt. So we secure a line of credit on the homeowner's property.
Yeah.
And the client has X number of dollars of debt, let's say $400,000 or $500,000, and the client's able to take all of their income directly against the principal of their debt, immediately lowering the principal by their entire income.
Wow.
And because our line of credit has a checking and savings account built directly into the line of credit, a client then has the ability to obviously deposit money, but then withdraw money via bill payments, e-transfers, etc. So the concept, all-in-one, is taking all of your income, all of your debt, and combining it into one simple form, and then having your principal reduced quicker.
Wow, that's amazing. So tell me, focus on, just help us understand, why is it like this is a phenomenal debt reduction tool. So if people want to really get rid of their mortgage debt, this is an incredible tool. So talk to us a little bit about when their pay gets put in and the impact on the principal, and this compound interest versus simple interest on the mortgage.
Right. So we won't get too complicated on what the difference between the compound and the simple interest is. But technically, when you have a compounding mortgage, as most of us know, you make $1,000 payment. And how much of that usually goes to principal and how much goes to interest?
About half or so.
Right, so in the early years, we're looking at about 80% to interest and 20% to principal, right? So that's a common way that Canadians are handling their mortgage.
That's right.
Not really efficient and not really cost effective for getting you out of debt. With a Manulife One or an all-in-one concept, because the interest is charged on a daily simple basis, any dollar that goes directly from the client's pay into the Manulife One goes 100% against the principal. So because you're reducing the principal faster, you're reducing the overall debt faster. If I could tell you, you could make a payment of 100% of your income versus 20% of your income, which way is going to get you out of debt faster?
Absolutely. To pay down the interest primarily.
Exactly. We're all about giving the client the power to control the funds, their income, to be able to utilize that to the best of their ability.
Well, that's good. I know that the Manulife One is this all-in-one concept, and I know that the clients that I have who have used it for themselves, they love it. And I have heard many of my clients tell me how excited they were to see the debt load continue to drop as they see their paycheck getting deposited directly into that.
Well, I mean, the number one thing about Manulife One is it provides flexibility for the client to now better control their day-to-day finances. Not only are we allowing them to utilize all of their income, we're also simplifying their banking.
That's right.
Because most clients in today's market have a checking account, a savings account, a mortgage account, a line of credit account, and the money is really flowing everywhere, and it's very inefficient. So not only are we trying to help clients utilize the full power of their income, we're trying to make their lives a little easier. If I could say, go to one spot where all of your debt products would normally be held, and now they're all in one simplified banking package, that's going to make your life easier, and it's going to allow you to see the ins and outs and the ins and out flows in a much simpler package.
So there's this all-in-one. It's a portal. They can do all kinds of banking related things in that portal.
We're a fully functioning online bank. In fact, our recent mobile application was nominated for the App of the Year in banking.
That's excellent.
We have the #1 rated app on the Apple Store for mobile banking.
Wow,
so excellent. Obviously, being a digital-centric bank, it's extremely important for us at Manulife to have an ability for our clients to access their money and be able to move the money in and out. And with the technology that we have now online, you can do that either through your regular PC, your mobile phone, your iPad, your Samsung, whatever device it is that you're using. We're giving that client in the power of their hand the power to manage their funds.
It is incredible. And you know what? The reason I wanted Rick here is because Rick, he knows the product in and through. But the Manulife Bank, a lot of the people, right, they're used to seeing banks on the street corners.
Yeah.
Like they drive in the four corners, or they get this bank, that bank. But they don't see Manulife Bank per se.
No, agreed. I mean, we certainly are. I mean, we're one of the fastest growing banks in Canada.
That's right.
And, you know, being a digitally centric bank, we don't have bricks and mortar.
Yeah.
But what we do have is the second largest ATM network in Canada.
Yeah.
So that's something that is called the Exchange Network, and the Exchange Network is a combination of a lot of the mid-tier banks have banded together to create a ATM network so that we're all have an economy of scale.
That's incredible.
So if you think of HSBC and National Bank, us at Manulife, and any independent credit union in Canada, we all belong to the Exchange Network. And that Exchange Network has a bank card like any other institution. And you can use that bank card at any of those institutions for deposits and withdrawals.
This is great.
So not only do we have the mobile banking, we also have the second largest ATM network in Canada.
This is amazing. So if someone had the Manulife One all-in-one mortgage for themselves, they could implement a strategy to significantly reduce debt. They could have a debit card and access this massive amount of ATMs as they wish. They can pay all their bills through the Manulife One portal. One simple log on.
The mobile banking app.
It's
not just a mobile; it's also on your PC.
Right. This is really good stuff. And if you have any questions on that, please comment below. And that's a product that I can actually help you with if you needed that. And we appreciate you being with us today,
Thanks
Rick.
very much.
Thank you
My
so
pleasure.
much.
Thank you.
And thank you for being with us. And listen, I trust was a valuable use of your time. Subscribe below and please like the video, share the video. It's great to be with you. Have a wonderful day.